Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G. So let's open Google Play Store. Here we can try finding Call of Duty. But as you can see, there's no game that we're looking for. So to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture, move to the settings, family, parental controls, and right here either disable parental controls entirely or move to apps and games, enter your PIN code, click on OK and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards. And now if we go back and try finding Call of Duty again, it should be right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.